I would like to thank the church in Botswana. I would like to thank the local organizing committee in Botswana. I would like to thank my elder in a very special way. We are standing here witnessing that God can do wonders to us in the church. We are on a plot that is of our own. We are in a place that is of our own. And this is the work of God. In the past years, I don't know how long we have been holding the lectureships. 50 years. Thank you, my teacher, my preacher. For 50 years, I will use the word that somebody, my brother, used, and he said, this is just amongst us three in here. For the past 50 years, we have been taking bread that is meant for our children and feeding it to... Yes? We have been taking the bread that is meant for the church and feeding it out there. But for the first time, we are using the bread in the kingdom. And here we are. Whatever we spend, whatever the monies that we are using for God, we are using it for the kingdom. And this is the way to go. And we really thank God for opening our eyes, opening our minds, that yes, we can do it. Botswana has done it. Zimbabwe, we can do it. Lesotho, we can do it. Swaziland, we can do it. Oh, Eswatini, the kingdom can do it. Malawi can do it. And indeed, when we go out there and we are having lectureships, whether they are local, whether they are national, whether they are international like this one, we go and assemble and worship in our own premises. And that's what God is talking to us. And we can do it. Botswana has just done it.
Church of Christ.